Hi there, welcome to our first video series of exercises for you at home. I'm Heidi Straz, physical therapist at ProMotion Physical Therapy. Thanks for joining me. So excited to work with you today. Today we're going to start with lower extremity stretching to address mobility in your low back, hips, knees, ankles, and feet. This is a great series. It's pretty quick, shouldn't take you too long, and it's really good to maintain mobility in your lower extremity. So let's get started. I'm not going to do the full hold time and all of the repetitions with you. I'm going to show you each exercise so that this video is brief, and then the purpose of it is for you to go on and do these exercises yourself on a regular basis. There will be a PDF file that you can download and print out with all of the pictures so that you can reference this on your own time. It will have the whole time and the number of repetitions that you should be doing on the sheet of paper. Okay, so let's get started. First exercise is a stretch for your hips. Now, I don't expect you all to have a table like this at home. You can do these exercises on the floor or on your bed. Both of those are fine. So you're gonna lie down with your knees bent. You're gonna cross one ankle over your other knee. Now, if you're in this position and you already feel a stretch, then this is all you need to do. But if you don't feel a stretch, you can grab behind your other thigh and pull up and hold gently. You're gonna hold that for 30 seconds and do it 2 to 3 times on each side. You can switch and do it on this side, okay? You should pull to a feeling of a good stretch. It shouldn't be painful. The next stretch is a hip opener, a butterfly stretch. You're gonna put your feet right next to each other, and you're just gonna open up like butterfly wings. Again, you're gonna hold that 30 seconds and do it 2 to 3 times. The next stretch is a hamstring stretch. If you have a stretching strap, that's great. I don't, so I'm gonna use my dog leash. Beware that your dog might be ready for a walk once you start doing this. You can hold the dog leash 2 pieces wrapped around the foot. You can also use the handle of the dog leash around your foot if you'd like. So your opposite leg is bent up to support your lumbar spine. Your knee needs to be straight, and you just pull up to a feeling of a stretch. That's where I feel my stretch. If I try to pull farther, my knee starts to bend. So that's too far for me. I need to stop here because that's where my knee stays straight. 30 seconds, 2 to 3 times, and then you're gonna switch. Put your other foot in, keep the knee straight, gentle pull. Those are the laying down exercises. Now I'm gonna turn, grab my ankle, and I can hold on to this table. You can hold on to a counter, the back of a chair. The key with this exercise is make sure you're standing up tall. You shouldn't be like this, and you shouldn't be like this. Just nice tall posture. If this is too difficult for you, you can do this exercise on your stomach, using your hand or using that dog leash. 30 seconds, 2 to 3 times on each side. The last stretch that we're gonna do is a standing calf stretch. So you're gonna need a wall for this. Using the edge of my china hutch, I'm gonna put one foot behind the other, and I'm gonna start to slide forward. I should feel a stretch in the back of the calf of the foot that's in behind. Your toes should be pointed forward. Check your toes. Most people do it like this. Toes forward and lean forward. That's the first calf stretch. The second calf stretch, you're going to step forward just a little bit and bend your knee and then slide forward. There's two muscles in your calf that you want to stretch when you do a calf stretch, and you have to do the two different positions to stretch both muscles. Knee straight, toes forward, 30 seconds, 2 to 3 times. Then knee bent, toes forward. I have pretty flexible calves, so I don't have to move my back foot forward, but a lot of people do. Find what works for you. So that completes our lower extremity stretching workout routine. This is a great routine for you to do on a daily basis, or at least 3 times a week. Stay tuned for our next program, which is going to be lower extremity strengthening level 1. So it'll be basic, non-weight bearing lower extremity strengthening. And then we'll do a level 2 series also. Thank you for joining me. This has been great. I am excited to see you again. Please let us know if you're having any problems with these or any questions. You can send us an email. The email address will be posted after this video. Thanks a lot. Take care.